how to start using GhibliArt AI. If you want to start and create images of Ghibli effect, then follow these instructions. First, make sure you have connected to your internet, and after that open up any browser. Here I'm using Google Chrome. Now on the search bar type in GhibliArt.ai and click on enter. So this is the homepage of GhibliArt AI, and here on the top right corner you can see this sign in option. To start using this website you need to first log into your account, so click on sign in. Now if you don't have an account yet, you need to create a new account by clicking on the sign up option, and if you have already created an account and want to log in with your Google ID, click on this Google button here and you'll be directly logged in with your Google. Now another option is that you can continue with your email and your password. So type in your email on this first field and type in your password on the second field. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on this forgot password link to reset it. After that, click on sign in to log into your account. After you have been logged into your account, you can see your profile icon on this top right corner. Now to start using this Ghibli AI art, click on this try for free option. It will lead you to this page. Now simply click on this field here and upload your picture that you want to create a Ghibli effect to. After that, you can also type in the prompt on this field to explain how you want to transform your image, or you can also try these example prompts from here. Now after you have done this step, the last step is to create Ghibli image. Click on this option and it will take a few seconds and create the required photo effect for you. So this is how you can start using GhibliArt AI. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.